Car insurance could be a difficult to understand topic for many people out there. If you clicked on this video to better understand all the minor details revolving around car insurance, well, you're at the right place. In this video, we will cover 10 things you didn't know about your car insurance. There may be some things you know, but even if you do, we can promise you that there will at least be one thing which surprises you. To hear all 10 things you didn't know about your car insurance, watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any valuable information. Car insurance, also referred to as vehicle protection, can be extremely confusing for anybody. It's likewise something that can be costly if not done right. We gathered together the 10 key things that you may not know about your vehicle protection. At our first thing you didn't know about your car insurance is having no-fault insurance. Let's get straight into what no-fault insurance exactly is. Numerous individuals mistakenly believe that when they have a no-fault vehicle protection plan, nobody will be accused or considered at fault in case of a mishap. In the event that you cause a mishap or scratch a vehicle when you leave, having this kind of protection doesn't really imply that you're protected. In the event that you caused the accident, you can and in all likelihood will be considered responsible. This kind of protection implies that in the event that you are in an accident and it isn't your fault, you won't personally need to pursue the other driver's insurance or the driver for pay. The insurance agency will do it for you consequently. Moving on to number 2 on our list. The cost of your insurance will inevitably be affected by several factors. There are many factors that will come into play and affect your insurance costs. You'll get asked a progression of individual questions when you apply for your vehicle insurance. The rundown can incorporate your age, gender, marital status, and how long you've had a license count. Your answers will affect how much your insurance premium will cost you every month or year. Furthermore, any past mishaps or tickets can make your premium increase. In the case you're a male who is under 25 years of age, your insurance company will consider you a higher danger for accidents. Thus, you'll no doubt have a higher premium than a female who is under 25. Number 3 on our list is your car's age and type. These two areas can increase your insurance costs, as you may have heard something about cars that are red having more expensive insurance and gray cars having cheaper insurance. The same idea relates to the type of car you drive. Individuals who drive top-of-the-line or extravagant vehicles will normally pay more to have their vehicle replaced or fixed in case of an accident. This implies that you'll no doubt pay more to cover this kind of vehicle in light of the fact that your insurance will pay out more if there is an accident. Vehicles that cost less to fix or supplement, or vehicles that are more seasoned, will cost less to insure in light of the fact that it won't cost your insurance company much if there is an accident. In every high school friend group, there is that one person with a modded car. Whether or not you're still in high school or even college, you definitely have seen modified cars, most likely getting pulled over, and wondered what the laws around those cars could be, right? Well, the laws aren't the only thing modded car owners must worry about. Insurance can be another piece of the puzzle. Many individuals like to alter their vehicles, however, insurance companies don't really like these adjustments. There are a couple of legitimate reasons for this. To begin with, adjusting the vehicle can affect how much emissions it releases into the climate. Secondly, if something occurs and the insurance company winds up with the vehicle, they will most likely be unable to sell it again in light of the fact that the adjustments make it unlawful to drive in the city. On the off chance that you alter your vehicle, the vehicle insurance company may find a way to secure themselves. This can mean increasing your premium. In the event that you totally need to change your vehicle, search for a particular insurance company that won't punish you for it. Different car insurance companies will offer you different rates with different packages. At the point when you apply for vehicle insurance, it's indispensable that you look around to locate the least expensive vehicle insurance that can give you all the coverage you require. A few search engines permit you to analyze different vehicle insurance companies next to each other so you can locate the best offer. try not to hold back on liability insurance and be exceptionally mindful of what your vehicle protection covers and what it doesn't cover. That way, you won't get a shock in case you're engaged with an accident. At number 6, we have perks. Yes, perks are indeed a major reason as to why many individuals have car insurance. These perks come in all different forms, and we will get into them here. At the point when you consider vehicle insurance, you generally don't think about any advantages that accompany it other than staying away from a ticket for not having it. However, a few insurers offer advantages for individuals who are faithful to the organization. You may get free towing in case of a breakdown, layered prizes with lower rates when you stay with an organization for longer than a year, and a discount for not having accidents like clockwork. At number 7, we have an increase in rates. If you are registered under an insurance company with insurance for your car, you generally have a monthly premium that is standard and will not fluctuate, except in the case where a huge accident is caused by you. Let's assume you caused an accident on your way to work or school and the other driver documented a claim. Some insurance companies will build your month-to-month premium because of this case. This includes on off chance that you file a claim in case of an accident, and also it applies whether the accident was your fault or not. Many people think that just because they have car insurance, they can leave their fancy bags, wallets, and even expensive laptops in their car, let alone in plain sight. Did you realize that your vehicle protection will take care of the expense to fix or repair your vehicle and some medical expenses depending upon your policy, but not assets you lose because of an accident? For instance, say you have your PC, PDA, GPS unit, or tablet in the vehicle and they get demolished because of an auto collision. Your vehicle protection won't take care of the replacement expense. It likewise won't cover the replacement in the event that they're taken out of your vehicle. This is why it's always recommended you take any valuables out of your vehicle and especially do not leave them in there overnight. We all know one or two people who have had valuables taken from their vehicle. You probably did not know this, but some car insurance policies will cover your pet's injuries. You may be thinking, who in their right mind takes their pet in the vehicle on a drive with them? But in the rare case it's a trip to the vet, or even just taking your dog with you when grocery shopping, some vehicle insurance companies have coverage for veterinarian costs if your pet is in the vehicle and harmed when you have an accident. Not all insurance companies offer this, however, so you ought to inquire as to whether your pet regularly rides with you. Likewise, ensure you're aware of how much the protection will cover in light of the fact that a ton of them cap at $1,000 for veterinarian bills. Finally, at number 10, we have, you guessed it, savings. These are methods to not only get a cheaper car insurance policy, but also cut down on costs such as taxes, processing fees, and more. Yes, we all know you can pay your vehicle insurance consistently. This may seem like the less expensive option up front, however, you'll probably pay more throughout the year by doing this. It's smarter to pay for a year or half of the year when you purchase insurance. It's more costly up front, yet you'll maintain a strategic distance from extra premium charges, payment processing fees, and other different expenses. Regardless of what insurance company you choose to use for your vehicle protection, ensure that you take a look at them. The objective is to get the least expensive vehicle insurance accessible that will in any case give satisfactory assurance in case of an accident and especially cover what you need individually. Everyone is different. Take as much time as is needed, search around, and pick the vehicle protection plan that will work for you. So there you have it. Now you know 10 things you didn't know about your car insurance. If you learned something new about insurance from this video, be sure to let us know which of the 10 things you found the most surprising in the comments below. As well, if you feel that you're more educated on the topic of car insurance as a whole, we would love to hear that. Maybe even suggest what future topics you want to see a video on regarding insurance. We are open to all suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and can't wait for more, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notifications. This will let you know when a new video comes out, and it will also help us out greatly. Thank you for stopping by, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, it's been Insurance Reassurance, and have a great day. See you next time.